Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to the Expert Curve Modeling add-in. With this add-in, you can finally cope with modeling complex shapes with complex curves. One example of modeling different parts for cars. We have implemented in this add-in several modes of operation. Vertex mode to control the edge points of curves. Curve and segment mode are the main modes for modeling. Model for more convenient curve management. They have their own sets of functions, as well as you can immediately look at how your result will look like. We have taken a lot of time to make your topology composed of quad. You can control the resolution on individual parts. I hope you will appreciate. You can separately fix the resolution on the desired area in a specific direction where you need more or less mesh. Changing any part by manipulating a couple of curves is much more convenient than selecting and editing 1,000 mesh points. At any time, you can apply the model and continue editing in mesh object mode. This is the result we got after adding bevels and increasing stiffness. I'll show you modeling on the example of a part. It starts by calling one of the ECM primitives. Then, using the duplicate function on segments, we create a second one. Then use the fill curve function to connect them to each other. As you can see, the curves complete themselves. Same with the extrude curve. The simplest modeling elements allow you to create complex shapes in a short period of time. With an excellent topological mesh and the ability to quickly edit with curves. You can also create a mesh object and convert it to an ECM object, while utilizing the full capabilities of the Blender. After conversion, you will get an ECM object ready to work at once. One useful function, replace curve, allows you to quickly use an already prepared curve bend in place of other curves. Become an expert in curve modeling. Discover a new experience of fast modeling in Blender.